Have to get away from the Babylon. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. I know that we are leaving. I know that we are leaving. Leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon system. Leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon. Leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon system. Leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon. Babylon is negative and we are positive. We have one life to live and we want to live it free. Not in the memory of how it used to be before the myth was coming up about efficiency. And this year living making numbers out of you and me. Tonight we forget about it in a party, but on a Monday we're part of the machinery, functioning well on the chain, and this not how it should be. We have one life to live, so let's be constructive. We only survive when we're leaving, we're leaving. Leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon system. Leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon. Leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon system. Leaving Babylon, leaving Babylon. Leaving Babylon, leaving this city. Go to the corridor. Babylon is spiritual. Over it is a commercial. We have no time to waste and no hesitate. If we not leave today, it could have been too late. It could have been too late. It's not good in a Babylon. It's not good. It's not good in a Babylon. And we are leaving Babylon. We are leaving Babylon. And we are leaving Babylon. Leaving Babylon. Leaving Babylon.